scenes. Where do I want the chat to be? This boy. I'm about to put him, he about to take a nap because he doing a lot. This is the one I want to change. I don't want this to show. How do I do that again? Oh, right here. Hitting on stream. Showing on stream. Showing. Okay, so alert box is on. Chat box is on. Save. Got it. I don't want to do that thing. Baby. What's going on? Huh? It's so funny how the devil be trying to mess up all your plans. Like, I don't even care. To me, I'm at a point in my life where it's like, when I see I'm getting this much resistance, I already know. And I'm not falling for it. So, unless this whole house fall down right now, which I know God would not let happen, I'm going to be live streaming and we're going to work on Advent of JavaScript. You ready for a nap? You ready for a nap? I don't want you bringing all these toys out here in the living room with. Here. All right, let's see. Okay, let me check on the stream. Well, now I guess I can bring up whatever I want on my computer. Baby, don't even start that. No. You want some milk? It's really time for you to take a nap, baby. Yes, it is. Ooh-wee. I'm going to take some deep breaths and get some work done because... Okay, let me go see how Twitch is looking. Twitch. Yes, I'm live. Okay, I can see myself. That's something anyways. I wish I could mirror my camera in, back up, baby. I wish I could mirror my camera in the Streamlabs phone app. But this is what we got to work with today. But I can kind of, I got my camera plugged up, so I can only like move it so much, so y'all can see a little bit. You can't see this screen, the other screen, but this is what we got, man. This is what we got. We got to do the best we can with what we have. I definitely would rather, and I want to hear and see how this sounds. I would rather know that I did. I can hear myself now. Connect. Hello? No, I don't. Oh my God, how many times is you gonna do that? I don't want it on my phone. Do I need to turn Bluetooth off on my phone? Because that's gonna get on my nerves so bad. Stop. Baby. Come on. Let's see what's going on with this little boy. Come here. Where you at? Here, come on. Come the other way. Everybody can see you acting like this. Look. Hey. Always trying to be on camera. You see yourself? He's monitoring himself. Why he think he is the funniest person in the world, I don't know. You the funniest person in the world, ain't you? Good morning, preacher. I don't know if you got to participate in this debacle up until now, but we got something going. Okay, baby. I think they got that part. He having a ball. He's having a ball. That's all that matters. Yeah. I think you said that already. Oh, you heard Goofy. Alright, let me get you a bottle because it's time for you to let out for real. But yeah, happy Wednesday, y'all. I mean, talk about hump day. Talk about Friday Eve. The struggle is real out here, but it's all good. Like I was saying before, I'm at a point where I understand, like, when there's a lot of stuff going on like this, I want to be frustrated, I ain't gonna lie. I want to knock all this stuff over. But that would be giving too much power to the situation. You ready to lay down? Come on. Baby boy need his nap. Kinds of stuff going on. All right, so yeah, I am going to attempt. I'm gonna try to get this going. I can hear myself. I don't want to hear myself no more. So let's let's get rid of that. But I kind of want some music though. I don't know what to play now. I don't want to hear myself no more. Okay. I could try the beat. One day I'm going to try the beats on the phone while I'm streaming from the phone and see how that works, because it could be good. I don't know what the audio quality is going to be like. I just feel like usually whenever I'm working with, Usually whenever I'm working on like when I'm like if I'm on Zoom or something like that and I use my beats, I feel like it's like if I'm not talking loud enough, people don't hear me. So I don't want the audio to be going in and out, especially since I can't really monitor it at the same time. I know it's a little echoey in my kitchen, but at least I know y'all can hear me. Let me see. Is there a way I could get a little bit more length out of this? I want to keep my camera plugged up for power, but I want to move the screen a little bit so y'all can like see something. Like I went out of my way to get these, and then here go my hair, my the all right, no, because that's gonna get on my nerves. Okay, we just gonna go off battery life for now, I guess. Look. Ah, hilarious. See, that's like when I got this many little things just trying to piss me off. I'm like, I'm not even about to give into that because you're just trying to distract me. That means I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. When you get that much agitation and aggravation towards when you're working on your purpose and you have all that coming against you, you like, thank you for letting me know that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing right now. If I wasn't for sure, I'd damn near for sure now. But anyways, you can see, this is what I'm working with right now, y'all. All hooked up to my bar in my kitchen. So yeah, I'll kind of sort of be able to see the other screen, but let's do, because I'm gonna go off battery life, I can at least give y'all a slightly better sound quality. I feel like a real production expert, you know what I mean? Because this on the fly living that I'm going through, let's do it this way. I'm trying to find a place to mount this. This is real on the fly. Why you want to get on my nerves? Okay, how far can this go? Guess I can kind of put it towards the side. No, I won't be able to plug this in now. Do. Hope I'm not messing nothing up. All right. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Can y'all hear me? Let's see. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't hear. Oh. Let's see. It's definitely hooked up. It's definitely getting audio. Wait, hello, hello, hello. Okay, I guess it's getting audio. Maybe my it's so quiet though. Why is it so quiet? Okay, yeah, that's definitely picking up. Um, the volume is as high as it could be. I don't know if like this matters. All right, can you hear me? I'm trying to see if I can hear myself. Well, I guess my audio is kind of low. Oh, okay, I can hear. Okay. Brutal, 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 brutal. All right, let's see if I can like give myself an hour to get some stuff done without losing my friggin' mind. Ooh wee. It's funny. It's not funny, but it kind of is. Like this, the kind of stuff I'm going through today. This be why a lot of like this be why I don't stream some days. Like I'll be setting up for the stream, and I'm like doing all this stuff I need to do to get it going. Self.teach. Um, and I'll be going through these type of technical issues, and it's just like, why? Why is this happening to me? I don't deserve this. Okay. So, anyways, I did want some music. I just don't know what to play. Did I close this door? Yeah. Um. I'm taking a nap after this. I know that much. Like, I'm a woosah. I'm a meditate and pray, and cause I don't I know like I have a lot of stuff I need to do. I got a lot of work to get done for the rest of the week. Search, I guess. Then I was like, the other day, all the music I was using should have been licensed and fine to use, but Twitch was muting my VODs, so that was annoying. Cause I was like, it shouldn't be muted. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear that. Let's see. Okay, so that's not bad, I guess. All right, we'll rock with this. All right, 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 all right. Let's go to YouTube. Cause I don't know if I'm gonna see the YouTube comments like I want to. Studio. I kind of want to take my hoodie off, but I don't. Like I'm hot because of all this like stress. But I don't want to take my hoodie off though. All right, let's keep YouTube open. And then we'll keep Twitch open too, so I can be in my control room. All right, what is our... Let's put this over here. That boy is in there having a fun time. He needs to go to sleep though. He's tired. All right, let's open VS Code. All right, I guess that's better because it was kind of a shadow on my face. Oh, Lord. I guess we can do this. Hold on, bear with me. Oops. Oh, that's why. Okay. Not that y'all really gonna be able to see what I'm doing for real, but I guess you kind of can, right? This is called being creative. Working with what you got. Since I can check everything, I can keep up with everything from my computer. So I'm gonna show y'all my screen from here. I hate that you can see all them cables, but you know, just don't judge me. Here. Okay. So I'm gonna move these on this side now. Move this over here. Move this over here. Move this one. There. Move this over here. All right, we out here. Can y'all see me? I'm still waiting to see if y'all can see me. All right. Okay, so here's the thing. No. Oh wait, why did I say I don't want to update that? Hold on. OMZ update. So when I was setting this up the other day, I was going through the README and following the README instructions, but the README instructions literally probably is just the README for Redwood. So it just tells you like how to make a post object, which is completely irrelevant to my life. I was trying to see how to roll back a migration in Prisma, and I was not coming up. I saw how to undo the scaffold, but I didn't figure out how to undo the migration, which was kind of annoying. Trying to think about how I want to do this. Give me my keyboard. What is down here? What is this? There ain't even nothing on here. Oh, I think I was using that for my monitor. All right, so yeah. I couldn't figure out how to undo the migration completely, which I wanted to just know how to do that, but I'm not. Right now, I'm just gonna do what I know best, which is undo everything that got changed by using Git. So let's do Git status. These cables don't get on my nerves. Did my mouse die? Oh, like it definitely acted like it wasn't okay. Hello? All right, so what I was doing is GST. I'm gonna, I could do a get restore. I should also be able to do like a get checkout origin. No. Let's take advantage of Cody. See, how do I restore my files to what is on the main branch? I should be able to check out, like get checkout head or checkout origin, something like that. Get checkout main, get checkout, oh, just do get checkout main. Okay. That was more that was more intuitive than I was thinking. But I also still have to undo. That only undid the changed files. That didn't. Wait, what? No, that didn't do what I wanted it to do. Okay, Cody, come on now. This will overwrite your local files. So I said, how do I restore my files to what is on the main branch? Cody said to restore your files to what is on the main branch, you can check out the main branch by running get checkout main. This will overwrite all your local changes and make your working directory match the main branch. Be careful, as this will permanently delete any uncommitted local changes. To save your work first, you could commit it or stash it before checking out main. Blah, blah, blah. So then I'm like, I'm already on the main branch in my terminal, so that doesn't change anything. I want to clear all of the uncommitted changes I have so far. And it says to clear all uncommitted changes in your current Git branch, you can use git reset -- hard. This will reset your branch to the last commit and discard all uncommitted changes. An alternative is git checkout -- and then dot. This will check out all files from the last commit. I think that's what I was thinking of, a combination of those. Let's reset -- hard. Oh wait, stop. I accidentally typed that command to Cody. Git reset -- hard. Untracked file. So I will, I guess, The untracked files, I'm just gonna remove those. RM, API, DB, migrations, RM dash RF, API, DB, migrations. And then get rid of the web SRC scaffold. I think that worked. Oh, it's still working, possibly. What's happening? It's hanging. It shouldn't take that long. It's only a couple files in this folder. Did I do something wrong? There we go. Okay, so RM, what was the other one? Web something. Source. Scaffold, I guess. Alright, so I should be back to where I was before. Oh, lordy lord. Okay. Okay, so I guess, let me see. How do I run the project again? Yarn. Oh, Redwood dev. Okay. Yarn, Redwood dev. I'll finish my little protein shake, which is also a little coffee protein, so. I might stop and eat too. I made some eggs and grits, but I haven't eaten them yet. Okay, so that seems to be working fine. Okay, so now that I know the app is running, I'm gonna kill the server for now. Okay, so I do want to set up my database. I just don't want that post. So let's see, here's our UML. Ooh, it's a little tiny. I think I have this Finder. I'm gonna open it up bigger. trying to find the right folder. Oh, Advent of JavaScript has a folder. And 2023 has a folder. All right. Why would you do that? All right, so users. So I'm gonna have a user model that will have an ID and email. I'm gonna go in the order that's in here. Email, password. And then first name. I don't know what the question mark means after that. I have to look that up. Last name. Maybe it's optional? I don't. String. I'm about to turn this Cody syntax highlighting off. I do not need that. That is really annoying. Cody. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that. Avatar. It's also, can you stop? Oh God, okay, I gotta turn this off. It's gonna get on my dang on nerves. It's like I appreciate it, but I don't. Excuse me. How do I, extensions? Gonna disable it for now. I don't want your help. Didn't I just say disable? So why is it still working? Reload. Okay. Avatar is a string created at, oh wait, is that going? I feel like that should automatically get created though. So we are using Prisma. Let me turn the heat down. Wait, I'm confused. Hold on. This is supposed to be a MERN project, right? Because we should not be using SQLite. I just thought about that. I don't want to see a solution. I'm trying to verify what is the actual tech stack, because I'm pretty sure it's set up for SQLite right now, so I need to change that. I think it's supposed to be Mongo. Where did I get that? Where did I get that from? Did I get that from here? Or did I get that from the Redwood tech stack? Okay, so let's go back to check in. All right, let's go to the Redwood docs, because I promise I didn't make up the part where we were doing Mongo. Maybe I did. Maybe I did. GraphQL is just an API, even though GraphQL I feel like is more geared towards Mongo. Okay, I think I assumed the database type. I think I did. I'm expecting them to talk about front end, back ends. Yeah, because all right, Prisma is the package Redwood uses to talk to your database and provides automated migrations, type safety, and auto completion. Your Redwood app will contain a file called schema.prisma Where my phone? I need a seat. Oh, hilarious. I literally was looking for my phone, which is how y'all can see me right now. Because I want to really get some work done today, and I feel like my struggle is that I need, get over here. All right. I need a stool for my for the bar top, and I want to borrow one from my mom's house. Hello? All right. So providers, where's the info on providers? Redwood abstracts the concept of GraphQL resolver into a service. It will generally start with one service function per GraphQL query or mutation. So going back to our testimonials example, you would have a service function named testimonials that returns the data for the GraphQL query. Okay. But I'm trying to figure out about the providers. I guess this app is based in Postgres. I kind of wanted to use Mongo, but I'd rather stick to what they're using in the project. I don't want to look at the solution. I just want to understand. Okay, project files. Starter repo. I might get in Discord and see what they're talking about in there. Solution. It would be cool though if it is using Postgres, then I can test out deploying the database in Render, because I think Render can let you deploy Postgres, and I haven't done that before. That's something I wanted to do to help my students when I work with them on their project.
Within Red Hat, if you have or a status.
I'm trying not to give away nothing. I just want to see. They set up a database in Supabase. I haven't used this one. Build in a weekend, scale to millions. I've heard of this one though. This is Postgres. Oh shoot, it's a workshop I wanted to watch today. Here we go. Listen in on this. Wait, welcome.
Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin.
I'm confused. Where am I supposed to be? Welcome, meeting the ambassadors, networking at 1:40. Is this the main stage? Join.
Thank you so much for answering this question. As you know, Women Tech Makers is divided into ambassadors program and also into membership program. So I am really happy to see that are a lot of women in both programs also. Okay, let's move on to the second question I have for you. And it is, which is your favorite Google product? So you can type the answer, maybe, I don't know, it's Android, maybe it's Maps, maybe it's Bar. I don't know, which is your favorite Google product? So we have Maps, I also love Maps. Google Calendar, it's really useful to make all the organizing stuff for the week. Bar, I know it.
It's a Women Tech Makers event, so I wanted to. I almost forgot about that.
Really used. Cloud. I see a lot of people focus on Gmail also. Calendar, Cloud. Cloud is giving a lot of favorites. Okay. I don't know what that emoji means. Okay. Calendar, Maps, and Gmail. I think that's the preferred ones. Also Drive, okay. Translate, Pixel, okay. Thank you so much for your answers.
I guess Postgres is fine.
Let's move to the third and last
Superbase
question,
seems to be leaning towards the Postgres side
Have you
too.
invited your friends or colleagues to join WTM membership? So I see a lot of yes, I see no's. It's no problem, just be honest. We are not judging, we are just chatting. Okay? See, if your
Okay,
is
Postgres,
no,
that's fine.
don't worry, let's spread
My
the love.
my SQL is a little rustier than I would like it to be anyway.
Invite your colleagues, invite other allies. Remember that the bigger our community became, the more visible women in technology become. So remember that sharing this information is also a step for making more awareness of what women in technology are making. So thank you so much for your answers. This information will be invaluable for shaping our future events of WTM membership. And okay, so let me return to our presentation of the day. Here it is. Okay, so before we start, I have a quick reminder about WTM Essence. So as many as you know, Women Tech Makers is a Google initiative to provide more visibility, resources, and technology to women. Especially we want this event to be a networking opportunity for you. So if you haven't joined this amazing community yet, I have this for you. Please scan this QR code to become a member today. The registration is only a couple of minutes long. So in a couple of minutes, you will be a member of an amazing community and you will have access to all the resources we have in the membership program, all the talks, all the events, and everything that is going to happen on 2024. So be sure you are on the membership program, okay? And let me move on to a quick, here it is, okay. So without further ado, I want to present you our amazing speakers, but let me check a little bit on the session because I think, okay, give me a minute, please. We are going to move from this session to the WTM meeting our ambassador session that is in the left side of your computer. So you, on the left side, you are going to find all the agenda for today. We have our welcome, we have also the presentation for our ambassadors, and you also can find the networking tables.
I'm just wondering, I think
So
like
if
created
you
at
want
and
to add
updated at
this to
should
your
be
agenda and choose your preferred one
created automatically.
Please add that to your agenda so you don't miss it, okay? Okay. So now, please join to the other session, the WTM meeting our ambassadors, because we are going to talk with our speakers today on the other session. So see you on the other one.
Supposed to start in 5 minutes. Okay, let's keep the music for now.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining here. Now we are going to present you our speakers. So
That is so annoying.
okay. Okay, so Madonna, Natalie, and
All right, so yeah, I think my thing about the database is I don't think I should have to put created at and updated at in the models, but I might need to. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Excuse me. Where's the documentation for guides maybe using Oh, using Prisma with Mongo is in here too. What's in here right now? SQLite provider. Oh, wait. Oh, my back. All right. Here, let me just get the basic stuff in, what I need in. Role is gonna be a role. Now let's see, if I type a role model, role, is it gonna pick that up? No. Okay. Schema, here we go. Oh, they do show created at and updated at on the post schema. Okay. Okay, native types. What about the enums? Role, the model name, and then at default, wait. Okay, I can do it this way. Role. Let's do it like this. All right. So the role is going to be exegetio. Oh my goodness. The Advent of JavaScript is fine so far, but I am definitely just getting started with it because I'm kind of behind based on how things were going for me last week. The hard part is live streaming, honestly, right now. Everything else is good, but yeah, are you doing any Advent of code? All right, so they do it like this. I like what they did for Advent of JavaScript because it's one big project this year. And then I also like, I'm getting a chance to learn some new frameworks. So I'm enjoying it so far. Where's the enums? Oops. Enum. says at default user, the wait. Admin and user, yeah, okay. User, admin. Oh, okay, so I say that the default role is going to be assigned as a user, but then this is the enum definition. Oh, it's an enum, not a model. That's why. Enum. Okay. Perfecto. It's still complaining to me. Why do you not like me? What did I do to you? You define. Oh, it's my connector. I think I'm supposed to be using Postgres. This is still on SQLite right now. I really want to use Mongo, but I'm going to. I think it would be good for me to do some Postgres because I was trying to help some of my students with a Postgres project, and it wasn't as fresh as I would like it to be. Okay. So now that I put Postgres as my provider, the enums are working because enum's not compatible with SQLite. That was the only issue. Okay. So I have my enum. All right. So ID is an int, email is a string, password, email, password, first name, last name, avatar, created at, updated at. We have a role. We have the enum for the role. Then what else do we want to do next? That's enum. SQLite is love. The word my name is rough. Is it? Hold on. Exegesis. Okay, well. I have a 18-month-old, so I totally understand. He's taking a nap right now, literally. He was having his whole screen time earlier today. He's around the corner. But yeah, I'm doing TypeScript. This is going to be TypeScript. I'm going to try to lean into it. But yeah, sorry. The camera angle is kind of weird because... Here, I'll move the chat a little bit too. Part of my struggle today is that my camera is not participating with my computer. So we are back to this stream from the phone situation. But what I'm gonna do is, because the point of me putting the camera like this was so y'all could somewhat see the screen. I'd rather y'all can't see me. This is fun, the way I'm living my life right now. Okay. Save. Oh gosh. Go back. Okay, that's a little bit better, right? I mean, you still probably can't see fully, but it's JavaScript. But I'm going to lean into TypeScript because I need more practice. Quiet time, yeah, it's literally never quiet here. Baby boy hardly ever takes a nap. Sometimes he takes naps. If he's super, super tired, he will, but he gets up early in the morning. Like, I usually am up around 5 or 6. For whatever reason, that's just the time I'd be waking up these days. So I'm usually up around like 5 or 6, and he gets up between 6 and 7. So like around 12 or 1 o'clock, he's so tired. So I just have to put him in his room. Like you said, quiet. If he plays, that's fine. Whatever he does. But he has to have like, sometimes he has to get laid down. And once he lays down, if he's super tired, when he lays down, he will go to sleep. But yeah, he doesn't nap, but he does sleep all night. So that's the trade-off, I guess. But you know, like you said, it changes, and your baby's like 4 now, so I'm sure it'll evolve over time. Yeah, baby boy is pretty much on a similar schedule now, but he's always, most of the time he's home with me, like 99.99% of the time. He's with me, so this has just been, you know, our schedules have changed over the time, but I just kind of work around him, you know. It's been interesting. I enjoyed being a parent though. I love my baby. But he's pretty independent. Like sometimes he does want to be around me, but for the most part, he's pretty independent as well. So like he'll get his toys and play. He likes just having free reign. It's just that he likes to get into stuff like as any kid does. So yeah, he needs a little bit of guardrails. But if I have to get work done, like earlier, I was gonna let him run around and play, but he was doing too much. He was literally like falling out because he was tired. But he might start going to like a day, what they call it, preschool. He might go to preschool next year, but he doesn't go to any type of program now, so it's just however I run his schedule, basically. If you could work with him in the house, you're a badass. I mean, I didn't have a choice, so you know, we figured it out. Now, this is new because we just moved into our place that we're in now. We just moved 2 weeks ago, basically. So that's why I'm literally working in my kitchen because I'm not even done moving. But before this, we were staying with family and he was in the same room as me. So it was starting to get difficult. But yeah, I've been working. Me and my baby like shared the same room for like up until 2 weeks ago. So it has been very interesting, but you know, you do the best with what you can. I think that's the main thing. So it's like, I had to get work done and he's got to live his best life. So we made it work. But I feel like I'm grateful for it too, because at the end of the day, I like that I've always been able to be there for all his like firsts, you know what I mean? So his bassinet and his crib and his playpen and everything typically sat like right by my desk. So I got to, you know, record and observe all his little moments throughout this whole past year and a half. I'm like a FOMO type of person. So I was like, I got to see everything happen, and I felt like I would miss out on that if we weren't able to have that flexibility. So I'm grateful because I know not everybody is able to do that. Yeah, so if your baby went to school at like 3 months, I can imagine most of the stuff happened there. Because my thing is like, I would be like, okay, well, and I had to tell my sister this. I was like, if you are going to be seeing his first anything, you are responsible for taking videos and pictures, which is a lot to ask of the. That's a lot to ask of the. You know, when you have like a big class full of people and stuff like that. But that's how I feel though. I'm trying to. It's kind of hard to read the documentation when it's this tiny. Okay. The question marks. Defining fields. It's probably under fields. A field name, a field type, and then modifiers. Modifier, the question mark modifier, what does that do? Oh, yeah, optional. That's what I thought. Okay. I'm not making anything optional right now. What about relationships? So a post has comments. So we have a list of comments under the post. Oh boy, my feet are hurting. Well, it's not my feet really, it's my knees. That's why I need that stool for my desk. I'm gonna take that as a no and quit. All right. I'm just looking at how I should model the relationships. So here, let's do this. We have a user. Then we have pairings. Santa ID, person ID, event ID, okay. Let me read this. All right, relation, I know what a relation is. One to many between user and post. One user can have many blog posts. The following defines a one to many. Here's the thing. Where's my sticky notes? I'm looking right at them. Oh, here we go. So an event, is tied to a user status, I guess. Relation fields define connections between models at the Prisma level and do not exist in a database. This is my full-time standing desk for now, my bar in the kitchen. But I do have a standing desk that I have to move over here into my office. So then I would have the option of getting to sit down. But I'm going to get bar stools for this counter. But yeah, right now I'm on... It's like I either have to stand or I have to, like, you know, just take my laptop and move. But I want to be able to use my monitor too. Struggle. It's all good though. Because honestly, I was not standing enough with my standing desk. I would like stand for a minute and I'm like, now I'll sit down. But I think one of the big things with standing is you have to have the right mat. You need the right surface to stand on. Otherwise, your legs and knees and stuff will get fatigued. Especially, I had an ACL surgery a few years ago, and I noticed that knee getting more troubled by the surface I'm standing on. I have like a makeshift mat that I'm standing on now. I literally have, I don't know what's inside of here. Something cushiony wrapped in a towel that I don't care about having on the floor. So it's not perfect, but at least I'm not standing on this like slab type of surface I have in the kitchen. That helps a lot because we're live for an hour and a half right now, and that doesn't count the probably 30 minutes or more that I was spending like struggling with my computer before that. So yeah, I think I've been doing good standing for like an hour straight, 2 hours straight. Ergo driven, a topo standing mat. Ergo driven. Cause I'm definitely gonna need a mat in my office. So let me see. I'll show you. Down the hallway. That room all the way at the end of the hallway is going to be my office. And it's hardwood floors versus my room where I just moved from. I had carpet. So I already know I need a mat in my, I know I need a mat in that room. Okay, this looks cool. It's funny, I like that they got the standing where you got like 1 foot up in the corner, 1 foot back, because that's literally how I'm standing right now. On calf raises, yeah, I just saw it said that it had like a calf rail and some other stuff, so that looks pretty nice. I just find myself shifting a lot just to relieve some of the pressure on my knee. I want one of those, this is what I really want. It's like a standing desk stool. It's like a weird chair. I never know what to call it, but I usually have to go find it. Oh wait, that's it right there. I think I found it. This, what is it called? Capisco? I don't know if y'all can see that. This is the one. Because you can like sit forward in it, but you can also sit backwards in it, which I think I would enjoy. Like sometimes when I'm standing, I just want something to lean on, or like just put one knee in the chair, or I could definitely see myself doing like a sitting side saddle or sitting backwards in a chair if I have this one. So this is the one I really want for my desk. So I already have a regular chair. Uplift sells this one. Okay. So here, let me see if y'all can see this. See how she's sitting. Side saddle. I mean, backwards. Not normal side saddle. All right, so yeah, that's on my list of things I need in my life. Did not fit my giant room. Oh. Yeah, I feel like I also like the idea that with that chair, the thing about my normal desk chair is like it's comfortable, right? So it's like I'll lean back in the chair and I feel like I don't stay as alert. It's easy to get like comfy and then just kind of start drifting, especially when you're tired. So I'm like, I want something like that that's more active. I just wish it wasn't $1,000, but gotta do what you gotta do, man. The Riker maneuver is from Star Trek. Images. How does that one? Oh, that lean is. Oh gosh. Man, oh man. All right, they're going into a networking session for this Women Tech Makers event. Let's see if I can get into a session. I can't see everything because 145. Yeah, okay. All right, I think I want to time out of that session for today. I'm tired. Can I say this book? I'm planning on applying to Women Tech Makers ambassador next year. I always like start the application and never finish it. this time I will definitely be finishing my application. But I don't know when they're gonna open them. They only open Women Tech Maker Ambassador applications like once a year. Okay. What's happening with my mouse? Like, come on. All right, let me get back to what we were working on. Let me just put this in my cart because I don't know. All right. I need to figure out how the relationships are, but I can just model, wait, so user status, ID, event ID, user ID. Oh, so it should be that the user can have many statuses then, I guess. I'm just gonna try to get them mapped out, and then I can look at how the relationships need to go. So we have a user status within ID that is string, events ID that is a string, but then that's a relation also. User ID is an int, but that's also a relation. Status, which is a user status, so that's an enum. I'm not gonna put a default on that one. Let's do the enum, which is user status, invited, declined, accepted. Oh, I guess I do want a default then. The default would be default. Why is this squirrel looking at me? Go on. There's a squirrel on my back porch just staring into my window. What's he looking for? Okay. Default would be invited, actually. Oh, I called it, wait. I don't think it likes me having the same name. So, it can't be called the user status. I can call it the status. But those can't have the same name. The at ID will be, oh, this ID. All right. I guess I can give myself a little comment to remember. See, to do. What happened to the to do? It used to be like a to do feature. Maybe that was a add-on thing where you can do like to do and then it'll kind of format a little bit differently. To do relation. I'm just gonna put relation next to any of them that I know. I need to relate to something else. Okay, so we have a user status, users, role, event, model, event. We have a Pairing. We have a thank you and a wish list. All right, wish list has an ID, which is an int, and then I think I have to do an @ID on this. A name, which is a string. A URL, which is also a string. User ID, int. Relation created at, which is the date time, updated at, oops, it's also a date time, order, the int, wait, tab int, events ID is an int, excuse me, and relation, site image, string, site title, string, and then description. Okay. Let's go back to the thank you ID. Now all of a sudden this ID is a string. That don't seem right. Oh, I guess some of these are like that though. User ID is an int. I guess this is, I don't know. Oops. Relation to user ID. Int is the relation. Message. String. Created at, should be a date time. One of these has to be the ID. I really don't feel like that should be a string, but we're gonna see. Pairing ID. All right, thank you for hanging. There's an add-on for which takes your to-dos. Okay, cool. Figured there must be an option for it. I just haven't used it in a while. All right. Today is Wednesday. Where's my, see my calendar. I also have to get my, oh shoot, it's an event today. Dang it. Okay. I gotta get my life together actually. I'm gonna get off of here soon. I gotta, the program that I train developers for to build MVPs and also usually end up working with founders. The next cohort that's going to be going into the MVP phase. They just finished their discovery phase, so they have a showcase tonight. So I will be going to that, and that is at 5:30, and it's already 2. And the way my life is set up, trying to get stuff done and get around with baby boy, yeah, we are going to I'm gonna need some time because I need to, first of all, my hair is looking crazy. That's first. I don't know what I'm wearing. I kind of know what baby boy is wearing, but I kind of don't. What am I thinking about right now? Let's see. Yeah, I gotta get in networking mode. I gotta get in like CTO mode because yeah, I've been going through this mental like shift where I'm like, I have to get used to being back out in the public and like being the front person of an organization and whatnot, because something about COVID, something about even the job that I was doing before COVID, I'm like, I got way too used to just being in leggings and a t-shirt 24/7 and like, you know, only having to show like 10% 10% of my body on camera type of thing. It's like, which is so weird because before COVID, like I used to literally run tech events every single week almost. I was really big with like meetup organizing and stuff like that. So it's like trying to get back to that. Not to say it's anything wrong with like if you like to dress down, that's fine. But that I never was that person. Like I always got like I'm not gonna say like I felt like I had comfy clothes, but I always got really dressed up and stuff just on a daily basis because that's something I just like to do. And then it's like when you work at a company that just buys you swag all the time and you got like 1,000 different hoodies, you just end up wearing like jeans and a hoodie or jeans and a t-shirt, which progressively goes to leggings and a t-shirt. And then we didn't have to leave the house. It's like definitely leggings and a t-shirt today and just, you know, comfy, cozy or whatever. But it's like I don't want to show up to like art big networking events like that. So I'm just kind of trying to get my life back to that kind of state where I'm like, I think my wardrobe is due for an update. Date, time. But also, like I said, it's a mental shift in remembering what that life was like pre-shutdown. Updated at date. Like I'm definitely not a suit type of person. I will say that. But like I said, I still want to present myself well. Event ID. And this will be cool because I think from what I heard, there's like 20 people in this cohort, 20 founders. Or 20 groups of founders anyway. So it'll be interesting because I'm training a bunch of new MVP developers now that are likely going to be working with these founders. So it'll be interesting to see like who those companies are in comparison to the group of developers that we have. Not all the developers would be new, but that's pairing right, yeah. not all the developers would be new. We have like returning developers all the time and everything, but the cohorts, we always need more developers. So there will always typically be new developers each go around. All right, so I'm trying to figure out why some of these IDs are strange. As opposed to ints. And then I gotta do the relations. Okay, so an event has many wish lists. This is what I was trying to do. A user and a user status, right? A user and a user status, a user, a wish list, and a user has many wish lists. So you got the user and the wish list. But then you got the wish list and the event. An event has many wish lists, right? User status, I got that. Wish list and users, I got that. Wish list and event, I got that. Thank you. The user has many thank yous. This is a lot. It's running out of my stickies. Okay. Wish list, thank you. User, thank you. To user, then the pairing is connected to users. Pairing, you have a to user, you have a Santa, well they call it like a Santa and a person, and then a pairing also has an event. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I think I'm going to be doing the relations and also they had another concept in here. All right, so this entire page will be good to go through. That has all the info I need. I outlined all my models though. Oh. On the data model, the other thing I care about is defining the ID. I want to say that's an attribute, how they would call it. Defining an ID field. An ID uniquely identifies individual records of a model. You can only have one ID. In relational database, the ID can be a single field or based on multiple fields. If a model does not have an @ID, you must define a mandatory @unique field. But then so it can be anything that I want it to be. Okay. And I don't think they're very specific about it. I think it's just whatever the first ID is on the field. Those are the @IDs. So, wait, why is this like this? Did it reformat the code? It did. It did reformat. Okay, that's fine. I'll take that. ID, this one is gonna be ID and the pairing. Oh, thank you. Okay. I think everything, yep, they all have alright, they all have their IDs now. This UML is a little bit interesting. But I think I understand it. All right, so what am I doing for the rest of the week? Today, obviously I have an event to go to, so I'm gonna start getting ready for that. Oh, we have podcast tomorrow. Yay! So tomorrow, probably today when I get back from the event, depending on how late I get back, I'll probably be troubleshooting this setup for tomorrow, because tomorrow is crawl, walk, run. I do not want to mess this up. So We have the podcast at lunchtime tomorrow, and then I have MVP dev training tomorrow night. So part of what I need to work on tomorrow is prepping for my lesson for this week. So depending on how my show is going, depending on how my setup goes, I really want to like get on stream in the morning and then probably finish up on the podcast, and then I'll take a break and work on my prep work for MVP dev training, which is in the evening. And then Fridays are always Beauty Go-Go Day. Friday's always CTO Day, basically. So that's my plan. Plus, actually, I need to get some work done tomorrow related to that. So it's a busy week, but I feel like all things considered, I am taking it in stride. I'm taking it in stride. All right, so can I get in frame? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up now so that way I am not late for this event. Make sure that I got everything in order. But I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm gonna play around with my camera because like I don't know why my Canon doesn't want to connect with my MacBook anymore. So that's just the thing. So I'm gonna troubleshoot through that. So hopefully tomorrow my stream will be good to go. But you know, it's gonna happen regardless. I'm at a point where I'm like, I'd rather know that I did something every day than to obsess over it being perfect and nothing gets done. Like I hate the days when I don't actually get to stream, and a lot of times when I don't get to stream, I don't even get to work on the projects I was planning on working on just because a lot of tech stuff. So perfection is the what they say, like perfection is the enemy of execution or something like that. If that's not what they say, that's what I'm saying right now. I feel like perfection is the enemy of action. So yeah, one way or another. So we got work to do tomorrow. Podcast is absolutely positively a thing regardless. And then Friday, CTO day. And I'll probably do Saturday. Oh, I won't do Saturday because Saturday I have like 2 events. So I probably won't do Saturday. And then next week, we should be back on track. I was teaching in the evenings, Monday, Wednesday, and I was teaching on Saturdays. That cohort just ended yesterday. So I have a little bit more headroom back, but I have until the end of the month almost for MVP dev training. But at least that's only 1 day a week. So yeah, thank y'all for bearing with me. I appreciate the folks that have been hanging out. Let's see if we can push this raid. I don't see. I don't see anybody live that I want to raid. All right, well, I don't see anybody live, so let's just go ahead and end it. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Hold on, I gotta. My camera's over here. Oh, shoot. Oh, and my battery's about to die on my pack, so it's perfect timing. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.